Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can easily calculate an average. Calculating the average is actually fairly simple process, and once you understand what's involved it's actually a very quick process as well. So here we go with an example. So here is our numbers. Of course you can use different numbers for your experiment. Let's start with our example 6, 4, 7, 3, and 1. Now these are 5 numbers, you need to keep that in mind. Now what to find any average is by adding these 5 numbers together. 6, plus 4, plus 7, plus 3, plus 1. So 21 is the answer of above 5 numbers. Now what you're gonna do is divide 21 by how many numbers you have. So in this case we have 5 numbers. So just take the 21 we found earlier and divide by 5. 4.5 is the average number. This is how you can calculate the average. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.